So my girlfriend hasn't seen the videos where they be cracking the backs on TikTok, and I want to see if it works, and so she's perfect. So you can get on your knees.
I'm scared.
Just get on your knees and be comfortable. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay, hands like this. Alright, and then I'm supposed to...
You're gonna put your butt in my face and fart.
I'm not. I'm not. I have to go look and see how they did it. Alright, we're back. I figured it out. So put your hands behind your head like this. Clasp your hands together behind your head. And you gotta sit up a little bit, like high on your knees. Yeah, like that. No. You heard that? Do me. I wanna try.
That was good.
I wanna try.
Okay, we're doing that trend or the challenge thing or whatever. Okay, come on. Yeah, no, there you go. Okay. It did not work. Yes, it did. Bro, do it again. Do it again. Does it feel nice? Come on. Yes. Come on. You popped it. Dang. You popped it. Oh my God, that worked so good.
Me every day after I saw that TikTok.
Ooh. Okay, y'all, he finna crack my back. And yes, I know my armpit's black, but I'm black. So get into it.
Alright.
You turn around.
Like this?
I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. Wait.
Right, come on.
I'm scared. Okay, come on. It's not working.
Come on. Put your arms up.
Okay, I got this.
My brother is gonna do the TikTok thing where he cracks my back. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, it's like this, right?
I think so.
And then no, you're supposed to put your arms like... Wait. Okay. Oh my...
Okay, so we about to try the back crack thing. Hold on. Give me a second. Alright, get on your knees. Yeah, like that. Put your hands on your head like this.
I feel like this is a setup.
No,
man.
like this. It's not a setup, for real. Okay, I think you do this right here.
Oh!
That feels so good.
Do me! Alright, so we're gonna try that back cracking thing. So we gotta go like turn around.
Okay.
What are you doing? This is not...
You're done.
That's not it. Hold on.
Oh!
I tried the back crack challenge on my boyfriend.
Oh.
I'm scared. This is gonna hurt really bad.
It's not gonna hurt. You're gonna feel really some stretch.
Oh! Holy shit! I thought it was
And then you just lift her up, yeah.
Okay. Are you good? Yeah. 1, 2.
I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of it, but nothing seems to stay the same. Woke up in the morning, till my hair